Hi guys, so I want to do a little vlog about my spring break trip and getting to Poland and Berlin because I'm going to Poland and Berlin for spring break. However, first step is be preparing because tomorrow I have my 7 a.m. flight, and I went to go pick up a package in like my city that I live in, my town more so because this is like the middle of nowhere. And I got back on the bus to go to my apartment, and I got off the wrong stop and I don't know where I am, so I'm gonna show you the view because it's really good. I don't know if I should hitchhike or what. Like, I did not expect this to happen, but okay. Also, if you can tell, I'm sick, and I've been sick for the past month, like, and I'm so sick of it. I'm so sick of being sick because I'm going to Berlin, you know, have to be ready for the nights out and stuff, but also I just hate being sick. So yeah.
Come with me. Silence is no hiding place. Comfort doesn't keep you safe, so step a little closer. You can fall out or fall over. You can pray.
We're in Berlin, trying to go to a free tour. But we can't because we don't know how to use the transportation system because I forgot.
Yeah, because Olivia doesn't know how to use it.
You don't either!
Yeah, this is my first time here. She came up here, she was like, okay guys, let me take you to the transport. I know where I'm going. We get there, we go on like 5 trains. She's like, okay, this isn't the train.
It was actually 3 because I counted. But yeah, we're gonna try to go on a free tour to make it on time. I have like selfies in front of it, but not an actual photo.
See my face when it's dark. In every place I will find you. Every thought fell apart. Girl, I see it in the stars. Baby, hold my hand. Let me be your man. Let me take you away from the cold. Baby, be my dog in the cold. Wander through the day with you caught up in my head. Thinking I'm a fit to fill my brain with lead. I'ma end my life without you. Baby, let's just see what this comes to. I'm not so perfect. Baby, are you working? I'm right here. Girl, let me see you working. Now we close the curtains.
I'm literally just got on the train. I'm like, there's no one on here, so I'm really confused. I just stopped in the middle of nowhere. Like, there's no stop. She just stopped.
And we didn't buy a ticket, we didn't buy
Okay, it's okay. I thought he was mad. I thought he was something mad, and I was like, he's even mad, but I don't think he was mad. I thought he didn't see us, and so I was like,
Sometimes trains have to like stop to let like this train go past.
It's just that you're not look angry all the
We just can't. I'm just never getting on another train in Berlin.
We just won't be able to get around.
See, look, they're fucked as well.
got to protect you from the hands you left. Broke my heart right there. All I do is stand on your
I found the pictures of you on my phone.
If they're at the Jewish memorial, I can't post it.
Kids don't look coming on Tuesdays in Berlin because it doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Jason Derulo 4 times in one night.
Don't say that, don't admit that. You won't find Suicide Circus, no.
Yeah, we couldn't find Suicide.
You won't find Suicide Circus and then you just don't have to. Hi guys, we keep not paying for the tickets. I keep getting major anxiety whenever we're there because the fine is €6 and my budget for this trip is 100.
I don't like staying at home when the moon is bleeding red. Woke up stoned in the backseat from a dream when my teeth fell out of my head. Cut it up, yeah. Everybody's on something here. My guts and chemical best friend skeleton whispering in my ear. Walk with me to the end. Stay with me into the abyss. Do you feel like letting go? I wonder if I done it. Nothing is fun.
No, I didn't.
Like before.
1960.
You don't get me high anymore.
Guys, so we're walking to eat at a homeless restaurant that I went to a year ago, and we just, or not a year ago, in June, and we just went on a tour, free tour, 3 hours. It went really well. It was really interesting. I already took that tour, but in June, but like I found out more new things, so it was cool. The lighting like makes you look orange, but it's fine. There's a lot happening here.
Is she?
What?
Are you sure she's gonna come out?
Yeah, I just went to tell her to come. Yeah, over there there's the Jewish cathedral. Can't see it, it's really cool.
What's on that plate over there?
Avocado.
Avocado.
I mean, I didn't think they didn't have avocado, but they yes they do. Once you wrote back, thanks. Like, oh wow, thanks.
Oh wow, thanks.
Take one, now it takes 4. You don't get me high anymore. You don't get me high anymore. You don't get me high anymore.
Oh my, I'm feeling high. My money's gone, I'm all alone. Too much to see, the world keeps turning. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day.
Theater. You know what, they would turn it into a club. It would be so cool if they turned it into a club.
Every
Into the
lesson
new Bear
learned. If your knowledge were your
Do you reckon?
it would be
I do.
well
It
earned.
looks so dope.
If we were made in his image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, on and on and on and on. My cipher keeps moving like a rolling stone. On and on and on and on. I go on and on and on and on. My cipher keeps moving like a rolling stone. On and on and on and on. I was born underwater with $3 quarters and 6 dimes. Yeah, you may laugh because you did not do your math. Like 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, we took a big fat nap like always, and now we're going out. Drinking in the streets is legal in Berlin, fun fact if you didn't know. And so yeah, so we took a big fat nap, then we ate, and we took a drink, and now we're getting on a tram. So see you guys. And then there was 2. Guys, we're on the tram. It isn't moving. That's us. Guys, you don't believe this because we don't believe this, but it's, what time is it?
What time is it?
It's 6:11. It's light outside. I didn't think it was gonna be light already, and the weather's so nice, Jordan. Cause it's supposed to be 7. It's supposed to be 70 today, so that's why it's so.
I cannot believe that. I cannot believe that.
But usually I no, because my favorite is when I leave and it's the sunrise.
Usually
but we miss the sunrise.
Usually I leave the club at 3 a.m. not 7.
Is that why?
Because I was tired. I was so tired. You had no idea how tired
I was more tired.
And I got there and I was like, okay, Olivia, if we're gonna do this. Hi. So Olivia gets 10 out of 10 for clubbing again, but this time because she's a good babysitter. Like, I was pretty. Actually, I'm.
Hey guys, we just got ready. It's like 1:30, but we're gonna go to a park and have lunch. So that will be good. Are you hungry?
I'm never eating.
Like, I don't feel like eating, but I wanna. I don't know. You really don't think you're gonna eat? You don't think you're gonna eat?
Well, I feel like.
I brought all this food. Okay, maybe after we drink something. But yeah, so we're gonna go.
I'm ready if you're ready now. Ooh, is it never gonna be? If you're ready, then I'm ready now. Accept the responsibility. I go out my way to live all the words that you say. I don't wanna be the same. I'm ready if you're ready. 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 Don't fight fire with fire. If I'm screaming, talk quieter. Understanding and patience. Feel the pain that I'm facing. Be like serenity. Every position. I'm ready if you're ready now. Ooh, is it never gonna be? If you're ready, then I'm ready now. Accept the responsibility. I go out my